Hi traders, it's Christine and it's Tuesday, September 25th, and I would like to discuss today about NUGT, the 3x gold miners bull shares. What we have today in screen is the 5-minute intraday chart, and this is the pretty significant today. For the first 2 hours of trading, it struggles to find direction. I'm going to put a line in here so we could easily see. So on this spot. Okay, focus on the left. In the opening, it opened at 13.91 and made an intraday high of 14.22, followed by the red candle on this 5 minutes. As you can see on the first attempt of 14.20, it failed. However, it was able to recover and made higher low for intraday, and it's ping pong from 13.9 to 14.20, and then again it is to another test of 14 and it failed, and another test of 14.20 and it failed. So when you look at intraday pattern like this, it is important that you first, of course, this is very obvious, the resistance, but you have to figure out where is the baseline support. And for me, when I do my personal intraday trades, this is usually the support. This is the first support, of course, the opening tail. But then the second one, which is more importantly, this is the failure candle for this one, for the first attempt on the 14.20, right? So just kind of like mark on that. And this is around 13.90 support. So that's what you have to look. Because you can see here, it's very significant, this support, although on this second try of 14.20, although it failed, for some, it can easily be seen as double top for intraday. But this is invalid double top unless we break the 13.90 support, as you can see from here. So, however, here for the fourth attempt of the 14.20, it tried again the resistance, and then it failed again. You see, it failed. So again, for this part, just to be safe, you do nothing. Why? Because we have seen on the first 2 hours, it keeps going back and forth at the 14.20, 13.9. So if you're trading long NUGT, this should be your baseline support, which is kind of like pretty easy and simple, right? The opening first rejection of the 14.20, this the 13.90 baseline. So after this, on the fourth attempt of the 14.20, it loses the 13.9, this candle right here. So this is signal to abandon your long trades for this kind of setup. As you can see here, it easily loses the 200 moving average support. This one, the blue line. For my intraday chart, I usually use 200 moving average just to figure out the support, and also the 50 moving average. But this is for the significance here. You can see here, after breaking the 13.9 support, it loses the 200 moving average. And again, we're talking just about the 5-minute intraday chart. So next time that you kind of like see this kind of pattern, you have to be careful, because if you long too soon, then it could end up lost, and then short too soon, and same goes. So yeah, this is just like one of the sample pattern that I'd like to highlight for today. And thank you for visiting my channel, and I hope you subscribe. And also please visit my website on what we offer at tradersfish.com and precisiontrade365.com. Thank you.